Hi guys, it's Mallory, and I am here with my Webkinz signature chipmunk, sorry. And today we are going to be auditioning for 7 Sillykins, and I'm really excited, and I really hope that we make it. So, yeah, I have the questions on a piece of paper right here, and let's just get started. So the first question is, what can I call you? You can call me Mal. That's what most people call me, and that's just been my nickname for a really long time. And so yeah. The second question is, what is your work ethic? So I think that I could be really capable of doing this, and I think that I could work really hard and do really good and try to edit my videos as good as I can. So question 3 is, can I trust you to keep a secret? And of course, everyone at my school tells me secrets because I can keep a secret. So number 4, can you get your videos on time? Of course, because I love posting videos, and I don't know why I would miss a day of posting a video. So of course I can get a video on time. 5th question, and the last question, is, do you cuss? I do not cuss. I've never said a bad word in my life. I don't even like saying like words like C-R-A-P and like S-H-U-T-U-P. I don't like saying words like that. I say like, instead of C-R-A-P, I say like, oh poop, or holy cow, or something like that. I have never said a cuss word in my life, and yeah, so I really hope that I make it. And also, the quality in here in my room is not that good, but I don't usually film in here. I can film in a good lighting spot, like outside or somewhere, so wherever you want me to, I can do. And if you ask me like what day I would want or something, I really don't care. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to find out who made it. So yeah, let's just say our goodbye. Goodbye. Bye guys.